us. I'll post his links down below as well. Make sure you go and check him out. Very chilled out guy. Yeah, I'm glad I slowed down. There's police everywhere today. Oh man, and there's another one. So we just went to I want that video. I don't even know, are they still recording? What am I supposed to do? Just look at smile? Do you think they can see me if I smile? What in the name is going on? There's like two... Bro, I don't even know what to do right now. Okay, I'll record this. Hey, I wish I could go through that red light with them.
Bro, this one is a better fucking vibe though. It looks better than yours.
Emotional damage.
Sounds better. It's a lot better. Like a lot better.
Bro, I went up to 6th gear thinking why it wouldn't go into neutral. Wondering why that sticker is there. I first tried to put it there, and the reason why I want to put it there is because I need the camera to pick up something that's always white, so I can white balance whenever I go to edit. Otherwise the footage becomes too blue, too purple, too warm is like orange, red, etc. So I need something white that's always in camera view. Am I going the right way? I guess. If you ever come here, make sure you dismount the bike and walk up all the way. I don't even get past this. Cool. So, Mr. FlipNDip.
Hello.
How are you?
All good. How are you?
Good, good, good. A few questions.
Yeah, go on.
What is a FlipNDip?
So FlipNDip is a brand I started where I make adjustable tail tidies for a range of different bikes. So adjustable tail tidies essentially mean that you can have your number plate sitting on the bike and then you can move it to a different position that you prefer. If you're doing content, video, photos, you can just quickly move your plate out of shot so it doesn't get cloned online, things like that. Makes for a better photo as well. So yeah, that's it.
Is it legal?
So yeah, the tail tidies are of course legal. They're just, like I say, adjustable tail tidies. They've been around for years before me. They'll be around years after me. I get this question a lot about mine because I'm sure people use them for other extracurricular activities. But yeah, as long as you're displaying your number plate correctly on the UK roads or international roads, then it's perfectly legal. You just need to make sure you're complying with the law and make sure your plate is on show when you're riding around on the UK streets, and you should be good to go.
And where can people get it from? And do you have anything else that you make? Because I can see your hoodies here as well.
Yeah, I do some other bits and bobs. All my stuff is online, so I made sure I've got a very nice, easy to use website. So flipndip.co.uk, or just give us a Google, you'll find us quickly, see everything we do. And yeah, I do some other bits and bobs, like, you know, big fat stickers. I've got gloves, balaclavas, a lot of hoodies. So yeah, feel free to grab any accessories if you're interested in them stuff. But yeah, all my stock, all the bikes I make, you can find that all online. Or drop me a message on Instagram, I'm always on there, so I can always help out.
Happy day, thank you very much.
Cool, no worries, mate.
Cool, cool. in the name is going on with this bike today? It's insane.